I'm JJTP, a lawyer. Not your lawyer, still a super lawyer. But today, I'm not doing a lawyer video. I'm going to do this in one take. So, I still have my scarf on. I just took my jacket off because I came inside and I was super excited because I had a package outside. And it came all the way from Japan. But this is not my first package. My first package would be this one. Came a little earlier in the week. It's going to be backwards. Onitsuka Tiger, right? So, could not get these in the US, wanted them. I actually have several other pairs. I don't know. It started because I wanted yellow shoes, and because I have my climbing shoes are yellow. If you've seen some of my climbing videos, they're yellow, and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. I want yellow shoes. And they make the Kill Bill shoes. So, I bought a bunch of other pairs. And then I was online, and F you, Trump, because I had them first. That's right. I got the gold shoes right here. I wore them once to the climbing gym, so I put them back in the box. But when I got this gold, it looks like these are shining, but they're not shining the way what I'm about to show you, because I couldn't get these in the US. So I had to go find someone in Japan to sell me these shoes, and then ship them all the way to the US. But I got another package. It came in this nice FedEx envelope, and I will tell you, and I'm going to send this to her. My ex also is Japanese, and the way they fold bags and the way they fold things, absolutely incredible. But it was nicely folded. I absolutely demolished it on the way in, and then I got my knife, which tells me not to do, but I got my knife to open this package, which is pre-opened. You see what it says right there. Do not use utility knife. And what did I do? But immediately pulled out the knife. But don't worry about it. No damage. No damage. They have a nice sticker on top of this. So many small touches I wanted to show you guys. Nice sticker. Open this box up and upside down now. But look at this. Look at how nicely they put they literally have a ribbon on my shoes. Ribbon. There it is, right? Okay. So next step here, we're all gonna find this out. I didn't get past here. And there they are. Onitsuka Tiger. But do you see that color right there? You see that little rainbow laser thing going on? Stand by. Because we had to have these shipped from Japan. I don't want to mess up their nice ribbon, because these are really hard to come by. And you saw how the other boxes were there, and I actually have a couple other boxes from different shoes. But look at this box. Do you see that laser? That laser? I'll show you why it's laser. There they are. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Yeah. That you want to wear some shoes? I got the full Sonics, yo. This is like when you get the gold star in Mario Brothers Sonic and your shoes turn laser. You know what I mean? I think there was a laser Sonic. This is what it is. See, you got the little tag here. It's actually all in Japanese, so I can't read it at all. So it's something. Not the first time this happened to me. My ex used to send me stuff, and also in Japanese. But I assume what it says is shoes, right? Hard to come by. I'm not gonna lick shoes because I'm better than that. See if we hopefully have two of them. I do. They extra laces in here. Oh, you can't see it. Yo, the laces, you might not be able to see on the camera, but they also have the laser in the laces. These are the backup laces. They got the white laces right here, and then the backup silver laces, which I might lace them up with and get the silver on silver. So, yeah, we have these, and we're back. These. That's right. This is what we're doing in 2024. We're not out here in regular shoes. We out here in the gold and the lasers. Yes, that's how it works. Onitsuka Tiger. Appreciate you people from Japan. Sending your boy some shoes. That's all I gotta say about that. JJTP out. Peace.